Hi, good day. Forum, important event in my life. Student, Gerson Ramírez. Subject, Basic English 2. UMB Virtual. Event favorite. My favorite vacation. A challenging situation. My favorite moment at school. My favorite vacation. Where did you go? I was in Cancun, Mexico. Who did you go with? I did it with my wife and my son. When was that vacation? The vacation were in June 28. A challenging situation. What was that situation about? The situation was pronounced the birth of my son and his health. When did that situation happen? This situation was in 28. How did you feel? I felt scared. My favorite moment at school. Who were you with? I was with my best friend from school and we won a Bogota soccer championship. When did that event happen? This event happened in 1994 when I got 10th. Where were you? I was a student at the Camilo Torres School in Bogota. Conclusion. They were dream moments fulfilled. I've had great experiences. Were moments of family unite. Thank you.